1. Bananas are technically berries, but strawberries. Not even close. 2. One fluffy cloud floating above you could weigh over 1,000,000 pounds. 3. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. Let that sink in. 4. There's a jellyfish that can literally live forever unless something eats it. 5. The Eiffel Tower actually grows taller in summer, about 6 inches higher. 6. Believe it or not, 60% of your DNA matches a banana. 7. Sharks have been around longer than trees. 8. There are more stars in space than grains of sand on every beach combined. 9. Your stomach replaces its lining every few days so it doesn't digest itself. 10. Koalas have fingerprints so close to ours, even experts get confused. 11. Astronauts say space smells like burnt steak and welding fumes. 12. A blue whale's heart is the size of a small car, and you could swim through its arteries. 13. An octopus has 3 hearts and blue blood. 14. The moon is slowly drifting away from Earth, about an inch a year. 15. Sea otters hold hands while they sleep so they don't drift apart. 16. A teaspoon of honey is the lifetime work of 12 bees. 17. Yup, some cats are actually allergic to humans. 18. Lightning is hotter than the surface of the sun. Way hotter. 19. Wombat poop comes out in perfect cubes. 20. The average person walks far enough in their lifetime to circle the Earth 5 times. 21. Antarctica doesn't have an official time zone. Time there is flexible. 22. Your brain can produce enough electricity to power a small light bulb. 23. Water can boil and freeze at the exact same time. It's called the triple point. 24. A day on Venus is actually longer than a year on Venus. 25. Your tongue has 8 muscles and never gets tired. 26. Rats laugh when you tickle them, but you'll need special equipment to hear it. 27. Some frogs freeze solid in winter, then thaw out and hop away. 28. The smallest bone in your body is in your ear, and it's tiny. 29. Butterflies can taste with their feet. 30. There are more fake flamingos on Earth than real ones. 31. Your body has enough carbon to make 900 pencils. 32. Cows have best friends and get stressed when they're apart. 33. An octopus can taste with every one of its arms. 34. Saturn is so light it could float in a giant bathtub. 35. Some turtles can breathe through their butts. 36. A cockroach can survive for a week without its head. 37. A pineapple takes 2 years to grow. No wonder they're pricey. 38. Your hair grows faster in summer than in winter. 39. The shortest war in history lasted just 38 minutes. 40. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. 41. That fresh-cut grass smell? It's actually the plant screaming for help. 42. The first oranges weren't orange, they were green. 43. One man hiccuped non-stop for 68 years. 44. If you stretched out all your DNA, it could reach the sun and back 600 times. 45. Honey found in ancient Egyptian tombs is still perfectly edible. 46. Some cats love swimming. 47. The fastest wind ever recorded on Earth was 253 miles per hour. 48. Your nose can detect over 1 trillion different scents. 49. Crocodiles can't stick out their tongues. 50. An ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. 51. Sea cucumbers can eject their guts to scare away predators. 52. There are more trees on Earth than stars in our galaxy. 53. Peanuts aren't nuts. They're beans. 54. A shrimp's heart is in its head. 55. In Switzerland, it's illegal to own just one guinea pig. They get lonely. 56. Greenland sharks can live for over 500 years. 57. The dot over the letter I is called a tittle. 58. Some fish can climb waterfalls. 59. The Amazon makes about 20% of the world's oxygen. 60. The oldest known tree is over 5,000 years old. 61. A full NASA spacesuit costs around $12 million. 62. A hummingbird's heart can beat over 200 times per minute. 63. Some ants literally explode to protect their colony. 64. The hottest temperature ever recorded on Earth was 134 degrees in Death Valley. 65. Giraffes have the same number of neck bones as humans, just bigger. 66. Your skin is your largest organ. 67. Cats can't taste sweetness. 68. Spider silk is 5 times stronger than steel of the same size. 69. Dolphins give each other names. 70. The heaviest pumpkin ever grown weighed over 2,600 pounds. 71. Elephants can hear through the ground with their feet. 72. The longest word in English has 189,819 letters. 73. A jellyfish is 95% water. 74. The Great Wall of China can't be seen from space without aid. 75. Camels have 3 eyelids to keep sand out. 76. Avocados are technically berries. 77. Hippos make their own sunscreen. 78. Some lizards can squirt blood from their eyes. 79. The largest desert in the world isn't the Sahara, it's Antarctica. 80. Bees can remember human faces. 81. A fluffy white cloud can weigh over 1,000,000 pounds. 82. A cheetah can outrun most cars, hitting 75 mph. 83. Male seahorses are the ones that give birth. 84. Pigeons can recognize themselves in mirrors. 85. One fish can live out of water for days. 86. The world's biggest flower smells like rotting meat. 87. There's a volcano that erupts glowing blue lava. 88. Lobsters taste with their legs. 89. Tigers have striped skin, not just striped fur. 90. A day on Mars is just 40 minutes longer than one on Earth. 91. Some metals explode instantly when they touch water. 92. You have enough iron in your body to make a small nail. 93. Earth's rotation is slowing down very slowly every year. 94. Owls can turn their heads almost all the way around. 95. Polar bear skin is black under their fur. 96. The Pacific Ocean has more than 25,000 islands. 97. A cockroach's brain is spread throughout its body. 98. The first computer virus was created in 1986. 99. Jelly beans are coated with shellac, made from bugs. 100. The longest gap between twin births is 87 days.